This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation error code CE33729-4. Now this is usually related to PlayStation Network in some capacity, or you may have been banned. So let's go up to the top and then go to settings right here, and then go on down to network. Then go to view status of PlayStation Network. This is the first thing that you should do. And see if there's an issue with connecting to the PlayStation Network. So if there is, this is probably what is causing your issue. So something under here might be down. So it says all services are up and running, so I'm good. Now another thing that you should try is restarting your home network. Go to your router and just simply unplug it from the wall for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then plug it in and do a quick restart. See if that fixes your issue. If that doesn't fix your issue, let's go over to setup internet connection. Choose your existing connection. So I'm going to choose Wi-Fi right here. And then let's set up a custom connection. So go from easy to custom. And then choose your Wi-Fi connection under here. Mine is Scump, so let's choose this. Then let's change the DNS to manual. So it says setup connection. I'm just going to wait for this. So let's go to automatic for the IP setting. I do not specify for this. Then DNS, let's go down to manual and type in 8.8.8 for the main one here, the primary. 8.8.8. Press R2 and done. And then go to the secondary and type in 8.8.4.4. Press R2 and done. And then go to next. And then go to automatic for the MTU and do not use for the proxy. And then go to test internet and see if you're able to actually connect now. Also, what we can try is maybe if we have a mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi we can connect to in our area, just try connecting to a different connection. So if this doesn't work, we got some other things that we can try out. We can go to account management. And just make sure we have our PlayStation 4 activated as primary. If we don't, if we lose internet connection, we won't be able to play our games offline. So this is highly important that we have this activated as primary. So if PlayStation network ever goes down, you wouldn't be able to play your games at all. Another thing that we could try is restoring the licenses. Maybe there's an issue with the licenses where we can't play our game. And sometimes you might need to log out of your PlayStation account and log out. And then sign back in. And this will update your information to the PlayStation Network. But if there is a problem with the PlayStation Network being down, just a heads up, you wouldn't be able to sign back in because PlayStation Network isn't receiving information at that time. So if you went to the last screen and PlayStation Network was down, don't try to sign out and sign back in because it won't work. So another thing that we try is holding down the PlayStation button, go to power and turn off our PS4. And we're going to connect this to the safe mode menu. And just doing a quick rebuild of the database, see if there's any kind of corrupted data that is causing this issue. So let's go down to my PlayStation now. Here it is. It looks beautiful, right? And wait for this light to stop blinking. So when this light stops blinking, we can hold down the power button. And make sure you have a USB cable plugged into your PlayStation 4 controller so we can operate the safe mode menu. So you're going to hear a beep initially, and then you're going to hear a second beep. Let go, and then press the PlayStation button on your controller. Now let's go up. Here it is. Press the PlayStation button on your controller. And then going down to option number 5, rebuild database. Then go to OK. Now, since it's going to take a few hours to do this, my experience only takes like 10 seconds. So when this gets done, your PlayStation should run a little bit quicker and smoother, and you should have less errors when you're playing your games. So it's going to restart to a blue screen now, and it'll give you an estimated amount of time of how long this is going to go ahead and take. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.